Hi, this is John Curry from Tegon Remedies, and I have my wife Ellen Curry with me today, and we're going to discuss just briefly a question that we really have. So, hello Helen, are you there? Can you
Yes,
hear
good
me?
morning. Yes, I'm here. Morning.
Okay, so Helen, a thing that we get all the time in the emails is tinnitus treatment. What is the best way to effectively treat my tinnitus? So could you just sort of briefly explain what's my best options if I wanted to treat my tinnitus effectively?
Yes, sure. Okay, first of all, it's very important to identify the root cause of one's tinnitus. This is really necessary in order to get effective relief. Over the years and much of our research, we have identified three major causes. The most common cause is exposure to loud noise, which causes cochlear damage. The second one is as a result of sinus and allergy-induced tinnitus. And the third one is stress and anxiety. If you have a look at my personal journey with tinnitus, I have a book, a 250-page guide called Living Tinnitus Free. And if you go to our website, you can download this book free of charge. Most people find it extremely helpful. It's very informative and it's comprehensive and covers all aspects of the problems with tinnitus, how to deal with it and how to manage it and get effective relief. So please feel free to go to our website, which is www.t-gon.com, and you can download Living Tinnitus Free at absolutely no charge. And I can promise you that you will feel a lot more confident about dealing with tinnitus and treating it once you've read this guide.